bạn cái đấy số Pokemon phone bạn ngày nay dùng miền chỉ video mấy mũi chạy tông chủng mũi nâng Pokemon phone này miền bánh hai được nông sản phẩm thực sản bảo sót bẹo con chủng mũi nâng lần tật tật sập bây giờ chắc là bây bạn đang sử dụng rồi chạy tông lần tật bây giờ trong hát chạy tông chủng mũi đồng bộ một tích cứ môn đo trên đo thả tá tật năng nhân lần đấy chủng hiện thì mứcคือ Pokemon phone แต่กำลังตัดสัญญาณคลันสันถ้าคลันมันตั้งอยู่เป็นคลันไหนทีตัวเตอร์ Pokemon phone แต่เนี่ยมีคลันจะบอกสาวไปเยอะทีม้วยจะโตจุ่มไปหนึ่งคลันตัดแต่มีคล้อตัดสอดแต่เช่นว่ามีคลันคล้อทีปีคือจะโตจุ่มไปหนึ่งเนี่ยคล้ายหาทงคลันเปรย์ทีใบจะโตจุ่มไปหนึ่งทงได้กับเพาะบายทีม้วยคือทงโชว์จังมวลของ Pokemon phone ตัวการสปายโยแต่ละคลันต่างๆนั่นคือ Pokemon phone แต่กำลังตัดสัญญาณมาสันตาประพบในมวยในม้วยคือจิ๋วเพคลันđấyដើម្បីយើងឈានទៅដល់ដំណាក់កាលបន្តទៀតដើម្បីរកតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងក្លិនទាំងអស់នោះបាទហើយនៅវីដេអូបន្ទាប់ខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការបញ្យល់តាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងក្លិននីមួយៗថាតើវាកើតចេញពីកន្លែងណាហើយហេតុអីបានជាមានបញ្ហាទាំងអស់នោះកើតឡើងបាទ